Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add a modal in this application. In previous video, we made this interface in React for Spring Boot application. Like that, if I click here, then it will fetch information from the Spring Boot application. If I click on insert, then this screen is open. I can close it also. Then for update we have this screen. Close it also. For delete we have another screen. But the problem here is that we are not able to see or modify or insert this record without scrolling this page. Each and every time we are just scrolling and we having some dissatisfaction with this interface. Looking good, but it's not optimum. So in next two video we will learn how we can optimize this interface, first by using modal and second by using the customization, the optimization in the layout of this Spring Boot application. So first of all, in this video we will learn how we can use modal to optimize this interface, and in next video we will see without modal how we can make it more optimized and more beautiful. So for that I have this REST home application. So I just copy this and I paste again, and here I change the name of this to React home modal. So we will make modification in this modal, and in app also we just change to modal. Here also we change to modal. Here also we change to modal, and we just change here also. Like this. No problem at all. Save it, and we save this also, and after compilation we have the same screen. Now we will use modal. For using a modal, first of all we have to install it. So how we can install? So this is the Bootstrap Modals library that we can install by using this npm install react bootstrap and bootstrap. So it's very simple. Just go there and go to the folder in which we want to install. So that is React Spring, and here paste and install. So it will install this library React Bootstrap. Now installed. Now what we have to do, we have to use it. So we have to use like this. We have information. So how we can do this? We learn. We can go to the component here, and here we have a modal, and we can learn if we want to learn more about this. Here we have modal. So we can learn this from here. But what we have to do here, that we have to modify in this application. So first of all we need to import this. So we say import, and I import modal, and I import button from React Bootstrap. Save this. Now actually I have to use it in the different file, in this file. not in this, I need to use in this file because we have the form here, so I import here. Now what I do, I have to use it here. When I click on get button, now we should use a model. For that I need to use here model, then here I need show. In this model show I need to say get as a true for display it. Then I say on hide. In on hide I need to pass this dot close get, the same function which I am passing here I need to pass here also. Now after this we close it, then I say model dot body, and under this body I will use this component. So cut it and paste it, and I need to remove this. You see, save it. So get is ready for model, and we see how it is ready. You see that when I click here on get, it will show in a model. You see we have model like this, and click this and it close. So we will try to use as a squareable model. So how we can do this, we will see here how we can use scrollable model. You see we have this property scrollable property, so we will use this property in a body for a scrollable property. So what I do, I just set this property scrollable to true, save this, and we try to open it again, and you see we have a scroll bar also. So very easy, very simple, you see. And now we are binding this layout on this screen. Just do over whatever we want and close it, done. But this is also opening here, we have to make it also as a this closable in a modal. So for using model in your open or insert page, so what I do, I just copy this code and again I paste this before this post, and in place of get I need to pass post, in place of get I need to pass here post, here also I need to pass post, and here also I need to pass close insert, and here I need to use insert student like this, done, and I just close it, delete this. So this post is also done. So I just, you see we have this post also. Now here I can put like 15 or 16, like I say Dr. Vipin, I say PhD, I say insert. You see we have record inserted, and close it, and we can close this. Close it, not working right now here. So how we can do this, we will see this also why it is not working. So we see here in this coding we have a close insert, we have close post. So we need this method close insert. So method is close insert, not close post. So what I do, I need to pass here close insert. Save this. Once again we try to open this and close it. You see now it is closing perfectly, no problem at all. Now what we do, we just do this for update also. So for update we have this, so we paste it here. I pass put. Here I just copy this component and I replace this like this, and same close update I pass here also. Done. Delete this. In similar way for delete we can do. So for delete I just paste this, and I need to copy this one. Copy this, and I need to paste this one. Then copy this and update this, delete one also, and in place of close update we have to pass close delete like this, and here in place of put I have to pass del. Then I need to remove this. No problem at all. Save this, and you see we're done. And now I need to see this again, close it. It is not closing, so it is for delete. So I say this also. What is the problem? So close get, close update, open delete, close delete. So in close delete we have to use, so we have here close delete. Here also we have close delete, but close delete is not working. Okay, here we have to pass del, not delay. Save this. Now try once again, click it, close it. You see close is coming. So you see that comfortably we have inserted modal here. Here also we are using modal. Here also we have using modal. That is different issue. And here also we are using modal. So we are using modal here in this without doing anything. We are just doing this as a insert. Also we have insert, close this, we have this, close this. This is different issue that is coming when I'm closing this, then it's showing some error. That is different thing. We will see it again in next video, but we are able to modify this, and we are able to design this layout, and we are able to insert a model in our layout. So that's all in this video. By using these model we can make our application more customizable and more better in look and feel. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.